I didn't install this like for this intro, but this is a serve. Like, what? Wait, look at this. Please, let's watch the video. Let's get into the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here again with another hair tutorial. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to do like a frontal illusion kind of thing from a closure. Like a simple 4x4, not 1, not 2, not 3, just one basic closure. And if you want to see how I do that, watch to the end of the video. So this was supposed to be a series where I like show you guys how to repurpose old hair, but you people did not appreciate the last video I uploaded that well, so I feel like it's going to end here. But again, I have like TikTok and I have Instagram and probably YouTube Shorts where I will upload the rest of this kind of content. So if you want to see that, follow me on my socials, follow me on my YouTube, subscribe so that you see when I upload this short. Hi, so we're starting off with the legendary basket of like wigs in progress and hair I don't use, blah 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 blah. And then here is me, I'm just showing you guys my face, I don't know why. And then here we have the 27-piece hair which we are going to be working on. Another good way of doing this is like using older longer hair and then you trim it down to start. So here's what the 27-piece hair looks like when you open it from the packet, and here's what it looks like when you remove it from its bundles. And then this is the legendary closure we are going to be working with today. And as you can see, I already made like that demarcation and that line on how I was going to cut it. And then here's like the remainder of the two closures which I have sewn together, and that's what we're going to be working with. So I'm just taking it for a test run, see how it looks like. Do I like it? Yes, I love it. I used it, duh. But this is what it should look like. And then we're going to go ahead to actually cut the closure. So I didn't show you yet on camera, I wonder why, but the measurement I use is like 1.2 inches, and then I like measured it and then I sprayed it down and I made that demarcation. So now we've cut it and then we can go ahead and do other fun stuff. So I'm wearing my wig cap already, and I'm just going to mark this down here because it's not like regular closure. So I actually want to know where I'll be positioning it, and once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and mark the middle so that the bigger part of the closure is going to be in. And once that's done, we are going to go to the sewing machine. I have like a bunch of tutorials showing you people how to use a sewing machine to make a wig, so I will link that in the description box. Please go check it out, because this like I already went off camera and sewed the closure to the wig cap, and then now I'm at the sewing machine sewing. It's nothing that serious, but the only thing that I changed from the regular sewing machine tutorial is instead of doing what's that thing called, instead of doing 1-inch pattern spaces, what I went ahead was to do 2 centimeters pattern spaces. They're much more closer than 1 inch. And if you have a tape measure, it should be like I don't know, just check your tape measure and then take out some inches from the 1 inch. So yeah, it's going to be a process. So sit down, watch some Netflix or listen to music or a podcast, whatever thing you do to pass time, and you're just going to trace the lines and sew where you see a line, and you're going to do that all around the wig cap, and yeah, voila, you're making a wig, duh. So I cut each line as I progress so that it's not bulky and it doesn't disturb me in the end. And I think this is like the final line. And also look at my nails, like perfection. So we are done, and this is what the wig looks like. So I will want to tell you that I went back and I colored it, because as you can see, the closure had a different color to the wig. There is like jet black, the closure is like brown and something, so it wasn't giving what it needed to give. If you get confused like later clips in the video, this is the reason why, so please pay attention. And then now I'm going to go ahead to start to try styling it. So I'm going to cut off the back, and also I should have cut it more because when I wore it, it was a mess. So when you're doing that backpack, just go and cut it off. And then I'm going to use a hot comb to like straighten stuff out, and more straightening, and much more straightening, and then the brush, and then the hair wax, and then much more hot combing it, and then I went in with like a straightener. See, this is why this hair could have never looked nice the first time, because like if you want to style hair, style it to perfection. Don't be doing half work. Like, anyways, that's what it looks like when it's black. And then now I'm just going to go with my very lazy install process. So first off, because this wig cap is way lighter than I am, I'm using my foundation and I'm trying to color it, which was a mess. Honestly, it was a mess. This is the wig again. Say hi to Trixie, I guess. I went ahead and I took like a darker skin toned kind of thing, because me, I was tired of using my foundation for that thing. Foundation is not cheap. And then moving on, I'm going to wear the wig and see how I like it. As you can see, the lace pretty much just blends into the hair. And then I'm going to go in with glue, because I like the positioning. This is very important. If you're installing hair by yourself, like, make the measurements and the positions before you put the glue. Don't do it after the glue is there, because it's going to be really messy. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I disregard my edges, so I am applying the glue directly to my edges. Wow, Tina. Anyways, go ahead and cut off the extra lace as I have done off camera, and then come and just align the glue to what you're seeing. Like, align the glue to the wig, and then go in with some extra glue and then just retouch the areas you missed, because, well, you're only human, you're not a robot. And then just, you know, use your fingers and press it down and melt it and whatever. Going with some guts to be, I really don't know why there's a guts to be process in installing wigs, but go in ahead with your guts to be and then like spray it down, and like to make it nice, I guess, or to just freeze it into place. I really, what's the rationale for like experts? Wait, I'm an expert. Oh, never mind. Going with your rubber band and then like tie it down, and it's good to go. Go ahead with a brush again. At this point, you should style your hair with a straightener, because it's going to give it more finesse. It's going to look nicer. Trust me on this one, it's going to look nicer. I look like those punk rock children from the early 2000s right now. And then yeah, I took off the elastic band off camera again. I love off camera things. So you're brushing it out. I'm really trying to make it look cute, yeah, but it's really not giving what it's supposed to give. So I'm just trying to, you know, brush it, and I'm showing you guys how the melt was melted. Like, I'm actually impressed, because this day I was really in haste. Yeah, so just keep brushing it until you find like a style that you resonate with, and then you call it a day. Also, I'm going to use some hair wrapping modes and then just like flatten everything behind, because there's a lot of flyaway action. And also, like, look at what's that curvy thing. Ugh. Anywho, so this is what I look like after some makeup. As you can see, I'm not 100% feeling the hair, because there's something wrong. I did not style it. I did not style the hair, so that's why I'm not like 100% confident. But hello, look at me here. Like, hair has been colored black, hair has been styled to perfection. I didn't install it yet though, but look at the material. Anywho's, so you've come to the end of the tutorial. Please go check out my other tutorials. Please go watch my other videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Please leave a comment down below. Please do all of the good stuff. Follow me on my social media. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.